Hello, this is Daniel Mello, and today I'm going to talk about reserved time to create organizational learning and improvement. It covers chapter 21 of the book. So basically, the main point here is to make some blitz. What is that? Basically, it's when we get together a group of people who are able to work on the same issue together. Usually we bring people outside of the problem to work with those inside. And we get them for a few days together to intensively work on the same point to improve or solve problems. This is very, very interesting because it makes a big improvement in the process when there are many people working together. So basically the goal is is not to simply experiment and innovate for the sake of testing out new technologies, but to improve our daily work, such as solving our daily workarounds. While our experiments can also lead to improvements bullets are very focused on solving specific problems we encounter in our daily work. So those problems we see every day, in these blitzes, we should learn how to solve them so that we're not going to incur them anymore. And everyone to teach and learn is a very, very important point too, due to the fact that everyone has something to teach, and of course everyone needs to learn. And although the prospect of learning something new may be intimidating or cause a sense of embarrassment or shame, it shouldn't. After all, we are all lifelong learners, and know one of the best ways to learn is from our peers. Kathy Godwin, who was part of the National Instruments DevOps transformation, said, "For operations people who are trying to learn automation, it shouldn't be scary. Just ask friendly developer because they would love to help." This is something very, very important and should be learned from any developer from the beginning. Development process have a huge amount of learning. There's always something new. Every moment we see that new technologies rise, new concepts comes with them, and there is a great need to learn. And no one can learn everything. No one knows everything. So it's very important to learn how to ask for help and also to learn how to give help. How to give help. So everyone has something to learn and everyone has something to teach. And we should encourage that. Not knowing something is not something that we should be ashamed of, but is something that uh, we should be willing to know. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching.